Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over the best advertising apps for your Shopify store so you can help increase sales and traffic. I'll be going over several different apps here, going over their descriptions, UI, pricings, and reviews, so make sure you stay until the end of the video here as all these apps are very highly rated. So let's dive into the first app here, and that's going to be Bix Grow. Affiliate marketing. So it's going to be a 2-in-1 app. It's going to include an affiliate program as well as a referral program. These are great because they're going to incentivize your existing customers to go out and advertise your products for you, and you're simply just going to pay them when a sale is generated. So it can be an extremely profitable way to advertise your brand, and using these apps make it really easy to create affiliate links, to onboard affiliates, and to pay them out based on a commission. You can also do things such as motivate affiliates to earn more. There's two-sided incentives. You get full control over the affiliate portal when they are signing up. You can pay them with PayPal, or you can use store credit even if they're interested in that. So it's an all-in-one affiliate app here to help skyrocket sales, incentivize referrals, and social engagement. In terms of pricing, this is a free app here at the time of recording, or at least a free to install app, and it has excellent ratings with 267 reviews and a 4.9 star rating. The next app I'll take a look at here is Timbrose's Google Shopping feed. This is essentially going to make it super easy to integrate your Shopify products with Google's Merchant Center, letting you use advertising tools such as Google Shopping, which is a great way to advertise your products. Makes it really easy to create these feeds, filter them, fix any issues, as well as create and assign promotions. Overall, it's just going to simplify that entire process of advertising on Google Shopping. It's a great way here as it doesn't require a lot of advertising creative to use Google Shopping. You can also integrate this with Microsoft and Facebook as well. In terms of pricing, there's a 21-day free trial, and it starts at $4.99 a month for up to 500 products. In terms of reviews, this has a ton of excellent reviews with 4.4 thousand 5-star reviews and an amazing 4.9 star rating. The next app is going to be TickTock Ads and TikTok Pixels. This is a new app here launched on November 24th of 2022. It's going to help you launch, optimize, and scale TikTok ads faster. So ad managers can be a little intimidating, so using these apps is a much easier way to set up your ads here. So it's built with e-commerce in mind, allowing you to optimize budget allocation and allowing you to find the right audiences faster. It also gives you actionable reports here that can be a little easier to understand. It allows you to integrate unlimited TikTok pixels with automatic event triggering, so you're tracking those purchases correctly. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and when you run a campaign, you set the budget and ad spend, and it's going to build directly to your TikTok ad account. In terms of reviews, it has 66 5-star ratings with a perfect 5 stars at the time of recording. So I want to take a break to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator. Available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and it's going to automatically calculate your profit, giving you detailed profit analytics as well as a variety of other analytics so you can really understand how your store is performing. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. And I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's check out the next app here. That's going to be instant traffic and free ads. So what it is a traffic exchange. So you are going to display products from other Shopify stores on your store, and in exchange, they're going to place your products on their store. So you're going to get options here on where you want to display it, which countries you want it displayed in, and which products you want to promote. It's going to be great at the beginning too, as paid ads can be expensive. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and there's a free plan to start here. You can select up to 5 products to promote. And as you move up in pricing, you get more options here such as instant traffic, instant giveaways, smart pop-up, and the ability to add more products. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a really good 4.4 stars with 1,000 5-star reviews. So lastly, let's take a look at an all-in-one app here. It's called Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and SMS. You can run data-driven ads from all your channels in one place here and get customers at a lower cost and drive growth. At least that's the marketing promise there. So it's going to be an all-in-one platform for your advertising, letting you track everything in one place. You can use it for running Facebook and Google ads. You can also run email campaigns. You can create customers from different product segments. You can also run SMS campaigns as well. So this gives you quite a bit of detailed insights here. It makes it easy to run these as well, as you don't have to go into all the different ad platforms and set up all these different campaigns on there. In terms of pricing, there's a free 14-day trial, It's going to start at $99 a month with up to $1,000 in ad spend, and you're going to have to continue to upgrade as you spend more in ads each month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 256 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video here on the best advertising apps for your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments what you think of these apps and if any additional ones should have been included. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below to check that out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.